this is Becky Buttons with buttonmakers.net, and as you probably know, buttonmakers.net is a Tekra distributor, and Tekra is currently back ordered on pin backs for like weeks. We don't have pinners to put the pins into the backs of the buttons, and so we are offering to send your orders unpinned with separate pins. And some of you need to know how much time and effort that is going to take. So I am going to show you how to do that today. This is what an unpinned button back looks like, and these are the pins. So I'm gonna set up here with my cell phone and try to show you what it takes to put the pins in the back. Okay, so the pins, first of all, come clasped. So you have to unclasp them, and then you have to put them into the backs like that. Let me do it again. Okay, this one's unpinned. All right, there it is. Let me show you it this way. You just thread that pin on in and stow the pin. All right, I'm gonna show you again from the back. Okay, so here's the back. Here's the pin that I just unclasped. Okay, thread it through the holes. Ta-da! I'm gonna do it one more time. Okay, so here's what it looks like from this side. Got my pin. I'm gonna thread it through this hole. All right, there, and then stow the pin. You wanna make sure that your pins are in there correctly so that your button isn't upside down, right? So you do have to pay attention to that. It's not hard, but it is time consuming. And depending on how motivated you are, or, you know, can take some doing, can take a bit of time. I had some kids in here to do some pinning, and, you know, I gave them 1,000 and it took them all day. That doesn't mean that's how long it would take me to pin these back. So right now we are going to see just how long it takes me to pin 100 of these button backs. And here we go. I'm done. 100 button backs pinned, and I'm at 12 minutes now with this video, including the tutorial time. So that's it. That's what's involved in pinning your own button backs. I appreciate your patience during this supply shortage, and hopefully we'll get this worked out soon. But in the meantime, you might be pinning your own backs.